First, power off your ThinkPad and monitor. Plug the dock into power and connect it to your laptop using the Thunderbolt cable. Next, attach your monitor to the dock using an HDMI or DisplayPort cable. Power on your laptop. It should automatically detect the monitor and install drivers via Windows or Lenovo Vantage. If not, download the drivers from Lenovo's website. Open Display Settings, Settings System Display. Select Detect to identify your monitor and arrange your displays. Set the desired resolution and refresh rate, then choose Extend these displays for an extended desktop. This simple setup expands your workspace in minutes. Experiencing issues with no signal? First, update the dock's firmware using Lenovo Vantage. This app handles driver updates automatically. Next, verify your cables are certified for high-speed connections to prevent signal loss. If needed, reset the dock by holding the power button for 10 seconds to clear any temporary glitches. For wireless connections, pair the dock using Bluetooth if your model supports it, eliminating wired dependencies. For optimal display settings, use Lenovo's app for AI calibration, which automatically adjusts color profiles. Remember, certified cables are crucial for stable, high-resolution outputs without degradation. For dual monitors, connect using both HDMI and DisplayPort ports on the dock. Then, enable multi-stream transport in your display settings for independent monitor outputs. These advanced tweaks will maximize your docking station's performance. If issues continue, contact Lenovo support for further assistance.